Hey there! Are you ready to start your entrepreneurial journey but feeling overwhelmed by all the high-tech business ideas out there? Don't worry. Today, I've got you covered with 28 beginner-friendly small business ideas that are easy to start, low-cost, and perfect for 2024. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about service-based businesses. These are super beginner-friendly because they don't require a lot of upfront investment or tech skills. Pet sitting or dog walking, a perfect option for animal lovers. House cleaning. People are always looking for reliable cleaners. Meal prep services. Cater to busy individuals who need quick, healthy meals. Handyman services. If you're good with tools, this one's for you. Event planning. Help others throw memorable parties or small gatherings. Personal shopping. Offer grocery or clothing shopping for those who need an extra hand. These ideas allow you to use simple skills you already have to start earning quickly. Next, let's explore creative and crafty business ideas for those of you who love making things. Personalized gifts. Think custom mugs, shirts, or jewelry. Home decor creations. Perfect for the DIY pros out there. Photography. Start with family portraits or small events. No fancy equipment needed. Candle making. Who doesn't love a beautifully scented candle? Gift wrapping services, especially popular during the holiday season. These businesses let you turn your creativity into profit, and they're so much fun. Eco-friendly and sustainable businesses are a big trend for 2024. Here are some beginner-friendly options that are also good for the planet. Upcycling furniture. Revamp old furniture and give it new life. Reusable product sales. Offer eco-friendly tote bags or reusable items. Composting services. Help others manage food waste sustainably. If you care about the environment, these ideas let you make a difference and an income. Now, if you're looking for simple online ventures, these ideas are for you. Virtual assistant. Help businesses with admin tasks right from home. Reselling. Sell pre-loved or vintage items online through eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Etsy store. Perfect for selling handmade or vintage goods. Social media management. Help small businesses keep their social media pages active. These businesses let you work from anywhere with just a laptop and internet connection. Food and beverage businesses are always in demand and don't require much to get started. Home baking. Sell delicious cakes, cookies, or pastries in your community. Mobile coffee stand. Bring your love of coffee to farmers markets or local events. Farm-to-table sales. Sell fresh veggies or eggs from your backyard garden. If you enjoy cooking or gardening, these ideas are great for turning your hobbies into income. And finally, here are a few beginner-friendly consulting businesses that anyone can do with a bit of knowledge and passion. Decluttering services. Help people organize and declutter their homes. Budget coaching. Share tips on personal finance and budgeting. Baby-proofing services. Make homes safer for toddlers and babies. These ideas are perfect if you love helping others simplify their lives. So there you have it. 28 beginner-friendly small business ideas to kickstart your journey in 2024. Which one stood out to you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who's ready to start their own business. Until next time, keep dreaming big and taking small steps toward your goals.